Hey guys, so if you ever get hot and heavy about fetch rewards and you're like, ooh, I got no points, like what am I gonna do? Well, today I'm gonna show you guys how to get unlimited fetch rewards points. So as you can see, I have 12,000, but if I press this button, it shows me this like mod menu and I can actually get unlimited points. So I'm gonna press unlock, it's gonna add the points to my account. And then I'm gonna show you guys how to download this fetch rewards like mod so you can get unlimited points too. So let's see if it goes up, and then I'm going to show you guys how to do it. So hopefully it starts working. So as you can see, it says like finalizing. All right, so yo guys, what the heck? As you can see, the points are increasing. So I'm going to show you guys exactly how to download this onto your device. So all you have to do, honestly, it's really easy, is just go over to this website, which is matrixmods.com. So this site is like all different mods for apps and games, so it's pretty advanced. But I'm going to type in fetch rewards, and as you can see, it says fetch rewards. So press on that, press download, and before this download finishes here, we're going to have to do this like verification step. So basically you got to download 2 different apps from the App Store completely free, and that will install the fetch rewards like mod into your device. So as you can see, it says almost there, additional files are required. So you got to download 2 of these apps, which are the additional files. So as you can see, we got Travel Town, which says reach level 9, Match to Win says down and reach level 11. So this one's like a game, so I just play it until I'm level 11. So that's pretty easy. So as you can see, I'm just running this right here. So the games are actually, in my opinion, the best, because what's going on with the games is you are going to be doing something and thinking about it. So your time will be spent doing the game and you'll forget. So when you're done, you're like, oh, wow, I just got the points so easily. So that's how to do it, guys. Super cool. So yeah, just do like one of these and then go back to the list and do another one. So we got Mo Casino. You know, there's tons of these. So that's how to get unlimited points on fetch rewards in 2026. And as you can see, we literally have unlimited points, guys. This is insane, bro. It actually works. I tested 12 different methods before this and nothing is real. This method is real though. It actually works. So I'm going to see you guys later, but yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel if you guys want to get unlimited points on fetch rewards. So yeah, this is super cool, guys. So I'm going to see you later, but yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel if you want to see more tutorials about unlimited points in fetch rewards, because if a new method comes out, you know I'm going to make a video on it. So yeah, this is super crazy. So I'm going to see you guys in another video, but yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel and peace out.